यहाँ आकर हम दोनों बहुत खुश हैं, खासकर क्योंकि we're paying tribute to a legend. He's no more, but he always will live forever. आज खासकर बहुत ख़ास दिन है क्योंकि it's his 8th death anniversary और it's a sad day पर बहुत ही special दिन है. हम दोनों ने बहुत रिहर्सल किए इस दिन के लिए and yeah, we're going to do our best to give Lokmat and the city of Pune a good show.
Nidhi, how was it matching steps with Tiger? Was it an easy job or how difficult was it?
It wasn't easy, definitely. That's why I didn't even try to match steps with him because I can't match steps with him. So Tiger is a dancer on another level, so I can't match that. But I've tried my best. I've just tried to enjoy the song and the choreography. That's it.
She's being humble. Her best is enough. बहुत अच्छी करती है.
That's really.
If you've seen Ding Dang, you know she's getting a lot of praise for Ding Dang और बहुत मेहनती लड़की है. I think it's nice. It's refreshing to see somebody who's so hardworking and dedicated, you know, to the craft.
Tiger, time and again you've given tribute to MJ of late, but इस बार क्या स्पेशल होगा आपकी तरफ से? And adding Nidhi.
इस बार स्पेशल है क्योंकि हाँ ऑफ कोर्स निधि है साथ में और I've never performed on a special occasion like this. It's his death anniversary तो बहुत ही स्पेशल दिन है. तो I think इस वजह से मैं बहुत जी जान लगा रहा हूँ इसके पीछे.
और आज का डांस is too good. You guys should watch it.
Tiger, any specific reason to select the city of Pune for this occasion, for the performance?
Well, you can ask our marketing team, but you know, I was very happy when I heard that I was going to come to Pune to perform. क्योंकि I love the city. मैं हमेशा आता था यहाँ पे मेरा खुद का ट्रेनिंग के लिए. बालीवाड़ी स्टेडियम जाता था मैं ट्रेनिंग करने हीरोपंती से पहले to learn action and this and that. तो it's very nostalgic coming back here and it feels good. And thank you Lokmat especially for hosting us. So very gracious of you all to keep such a lovely event, you know, in honor of the king.
फिल्म में नवाज भी एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल में है, तो क्या उनको भी आज यहाँ होना चाहिए था तो और मज़ा आता?
नवाजी तो बहुत ही बड़े स्टार है, बहुत बिजी आदमी है, तो शायद उनके और भी पिक्चर्स के शायद प्रमोशंस होंगे फ़िलहाल. पर yeah, I think he must be shooting or something, but he would have been here for sure. So yeah.
अगर वो आ सकते थे तो ज़रूर आते.
Yeah, we miss him.
Yeah.
Miss you Nawaz sir, miss you.
Nidhi, is this your first performance? Stage show kind of thing?
स्टेज शो या इससे पहले स्टेज पे गए हैं साथ में बट परफॉर्म नहीं किया. इसमें भी आज थोड़ा होगा, इसके बाद और ज़्यादा होगा.
Any butterfly feelings because we have seen
I
Tiger
always
being
have
a
butterflies nowadays before media interaction, before everything. So there are constantly butterflies in my stomach.
So being the senior is Tiger helping you with getting being the senior because हीरोपंती के टाइम
Yeah.
वो भी नए थे तो अब धीरे-धीरे 3-4 फिल्मों के बाद अब he has become a pro now.
नहीं, I mean the level of stardom he's reached in 3 films बहुत unusual बात है. But he is in a way maybe little bit my senior, but इन्होंने बहुत मुझे help किया.
बस उम्र में छोटा
Yeah.
हूँ मैं. I'm kidding. Just joking.
So you guys have kicked off the promotion. What next can we expect from you guys?
Expect bigger and better things from us. I think the closer we come to our release, we will hopefully keep surprising you all and keep entertaining you all to the best we can. And yeah.
Tiger, you have been following Hrithik Roshan a lot. So did you got any feedback from him for your promos or something?
नहीं, काफ़ी टाइम से बात नहीं हुई ऋतिक सर से. I think he's very busy with his own life and he's doing very well with whatever he does. But no, I don't think the last I think I got a compliment from him was for my Rambo poster. But I hope अगर वो फ्री हो और अगर उनके पास टाइम होगा तो मैं इस मूवी ज़रूर दिखाऊंगा उनको.
Request them to please move behind. Can you do that brother for me? सबसे पहले नमस्कार. नमस्ते. कैसे गए पुणे? एक humble request है आप सबसे. अगर आप if you can आराम से go slowly back. किसी को लगना नहीं चाहिए. Please go slightly back guys. I'm coming slightly back guys. पक्का आऊँगा बाद में. I'll come in the crowd. दोस्तों थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ. Come on, थोड़ा पीछे. First of all, Tiger, let me start off by saying welcome to Pune. Thank you so much. I love you Pune. This is by far ये मैं आराम से बोल सकता हूँ कि ये आज तक का बेस्ट क्राउड है. So thank you guys so much for all your love.
टाइगर जो हमारा जनता है
जी
a lot of people are Maharashtrians. आप मराठी में डायलॉग कुछ तो बोल सकते हैं लेकिन मराठी कुछ बोल सकते हैं आप ऐकायचं का सगळ्यांना one dialogue anything 2 words in Marathi something in Marathi
ठीक है कसं काय पुणे I can't hear you louder चलो हो गया अभी
awesome bro how was your experience playing your idol you looked up to Michael Jackson when you were a kid and you're playing Munna Michael in the movie how was it
I think आज जो कुछ भी हो माइकल जैक्सन की वजह से हो तो मुझे याद है द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एवर स्टार्टेड डांसिंग वाज आफ्टर आई सॉ हिज वीडियो थ्रिलर का तो उस दिन से कहानी शुरू हुई थी मेरी डांस में
brilliant and we've seen in the promos we've seen that you've got a new face okay guys as simple can we move behind
crowd if I'd love to request you all please आराम से especially the ladies बीच में लड़का के साथ please let's just be a little careful
okay this is what
guys आराम से
okay this is what
ma'am easy
guys hold on okay Tiger this is what you have come here with expectations people have gathered people are your big fans we all love you but I am sorry I have to be blunt if you do not cooperate we cannot take the show ahead you want the show to continue please cooperate and move behind ladies and gentlemen Vivek
okay आगे जाने से पहले I'd like to ask एक सवाल है आप लोग से Do you guys have you heard of the song Ding Dang? You have heard of the song Ding Dang. So I feel like dancing to Ding Dang, but for that I need somebody's help. That somebody is very special.
are you ready
That somebody is very special.
and that someone special you're going to introduce to us right now
मेरी फिल्म मुन्ना माइकल की हीरोइन है. She's a newcomer. Her name is Nidhi Agarwal. So I want you guys to clap your hands as hard as you can for her, okay? It's her first time performing on stage. So Nidhi,
can we make some noise and welcome Nidhi Agarwal on stage hi Nidhi how are you
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
very well first of all welcome to Pune can we make some noise for Nidhi ladies and gentlemen
Thank you. It's great being here.
you know we have monitors that are very powerful even having monitors powerful we can't hear ourselves because we have an amazing audience right here at Seasons Mall guys can we make some noise without shaking your leg because you're in the movie Munna Michael and you're here with a gentleman who people adore, people respect, people love his dancer who he is, man. So we want to see you guys dancing together.
Yeah,
Does everybody want to see them dancing together? But on one condition, I want people moving behind and cooperating. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Come
guys,
on.
no pushing, please.
Please.
I promise I'm not going anywhere. Nidhi's not going
Let's
anywhere.
cooperate.
Please.
Come on.
हाँ भाई आता हूँ पक्का.
Okay. So, are we geared up for a
Yeah.
dance, a special dance?
To Ding Dang with
Ding
Tiger.
Dang.
Me and Tiger. I
Let's-
can't dance like him, but I
Let's
will
all
try.
ding dang together. What do you say, Pune?
सबको
Ding dang together.
सबको डिंग डैंग का स्टेप आता है ना? सबको डिंग डैंग का स्टेप आता है? Very simple. ओ मेरी वाली डिंग डैंग करती. Very simple, huh? I want everybody to dance along with us. Fair? Can you guys dance? I want you guys to dance, okay, with me. Pakka, all of you. All right, let's start. Can we have the music, please?
Okay.